Hi guys, Tyrone from Moonlight again, here for another video. This time we're going to be going over Andrew's 80 series and the work that we've done to it. Our 4-inch snorkel has replaced the plastic snorkel that he had on there. The plastic snorkel, when we took it off, had damaged the guard just through rubbing and rubbing some of the paint off. So we've used some of the same mount points, some of them we've actually cut out and set the snorkel into the guard. We've used the same mount point up on the door pillar rather than drilling more holes. For this snorkel, Andrew decided to go for the satin black look to keep with the rest of his trims and to make it look a bit more factory. On this snorkel, Andrew's decided to go with the rear facing for a sleeker look and a cleaner air intake. Now around to underneath the bonnet here, we've got the Moonlight airbox. Andrew was after some bit more performance to help with the aftermarket intercooler that he's got. He got our 80 series airbox. It's got 4-inch inlet, 4-inch outlet, 4-inch most of the way to the turbo. It shrinks down to the last minute to whatever size the turbo is. Mounts to the factory mount points and doesn't really interfere with anything in the engine bay. Takes up a little bit less room than the factory standard airbox. So Andrew's got the 1HD FT 24 valve, known for reliability. It's a diesel engine from Toyota. We've installed our airbox to help with that, the power and the reliability that it can produce. Use the same filter that we use in most of our airboxes, the flat panel Duramax filter, which is the one that we use in most of our airboxes. It's known for being able to stop the dust and still have the performance there that we need. Andrew now has a complete aftermarket system. He's got the snorkel and the 4-inch airbox to help with the performance and reliability of this engine to go along with all the other aftermarket products that he's got on there. Appreciate you guys watching and seeing what we can do for the 80 series, and we'll see you in the next video.
If you would like to see more, follow us on Facebook or Instagram, or please subscribe to our website, moonlightcustomfabrication.com.au.